welcome back to the channel. Oh, no, that didn't work. Hold on. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back, guys. So far this morning, you got me and Toaster Media. We're going to Cam's house. Well, Cam and Sean are going to be there. And then the local Kia dealership. The owner is a huge car guy, and he always puts on a car show every summer. And I've missed it for like the past 2 or 3 years because of work. So I've got the day off this year, and we're going to that show right now. And I'm very excited because last year there was a drag prep ZR1, like C6 ZR1. There was Lamborghinis, Ferraris, so I'm very excited for how the show is gonna go. And then I believe afterwards, either in this video or in the next video, we're going to the Trenton Air Museum because we're nerds.
No, I can't do it today on the hat.
I also still need to get this thing tuned because the check engine light's still there for my headers. Got the big dog ready for the show. Are you taking the big dog this morning?
Fuck yeah, we are. You taking that to the show?
Yeah.
Are you gonna leave it at the carpool lot then?
No, I'm gonna bring it back here.
No. That means I have to drive all the way back here.
I thought we were taking all the cars and then doing that anyway.
Doing what?
Like bringing them back and then going.
Brayden, there's gonna be a Ferrari, a Lamborghini, and a ZR1. I'm not bringing a Golf.
But that sounds like a you problem. Oh, I brought him too.
Why the fuck would you do that?
Well, because he's a nice individual. Look at him.
Well, if we're all coming back, then I'll go with him. Yeah.
Okay.
I'll go with you.
Okay. No, my bag's here. No.
Well, I'll go with him because he's cooler anyway.
Are we gonna see the country accent again?
Brother, you bet your ass you will.
Too quiet?
What the fuck? You got mufflers? Fucking moves.
Sorry. All right.
Thank God that when you stand on the brakes, the seat actually never leaves my back.
Wait. So like when you stand on the brakes, it's like, yeah, I'm moving forward, but the seat moves with me.
That's
like,
good. That's good. It keeps you in your place.
Yeah,
right?
exactly.
It is funny though, because Cam's car has made any other car I've ever been around, ever, including SVJ's, quiet.
So when are you gonna make this louder?
I'm working on that.
Not very hard. It's still pretty fucking quiet.
I know. I'm slacking a little bit on the making noise department. Just a nice peaceful morning downtown.
Well, it was.
Yeah, then I showed up. Oh yeah, your seat didn't move. Your seat didn't move that time. You stayed put.
It's the G meter. You just weren't on the brakes.
There's some Kias, man.
Yeah, it's almost like it's at a Kia dealership.
Yeah, I know. But they put them all over here because we brought in, is it inferior?
Yeah, we brought
Superior.
Well, we didn't bring the better metal. We brought fiberglass. You know what I mean?
Yeah. You think he's going with the Avalanche?
I fucking hope so.
I really hope. It's got the cladded Avalanche too. It's the best one.
Yeah.
So we got here a little bit early. There's copyright music, so I'm not gonna be able to talk to you guys too much, but Ferrari and a Z06.
right and find yourself a spot.
Can you give me a good explanation why that Prowler doesn't have a 5.7 when they made it tip?
This Torch Red C5 came in. Similar spec to my car, as in Targa manual 5.7, but look at how he's got the screen integrated in here. I like that a lot better than my car. He's got these wheels, which, what are they? They look fantastic. And he's got the red Corvette calipers, and Torch Red is such a fantastic color. Oh, and it's got the, I think that's the transparent roof in the back there. That's dope. And I think these are upgraded taillights because they're different than mine, which is right there. And then the twin exhaust. I don't know, what do you guys think about the twin exhaust? I like the black down here though. That looks really good. C7 Z06. Look at the back of this thing. That is a mean car. And then on the bronze stock wheels, I've never seen that before, but I really like this. And I think it's got the full aero kit and then some. And then a drag prepped ZR1. LS9, blue accents, with matching blue accents on the wheels. This is the Corvette. And these taillights, I don't know if I got a shot of them running while he's pulling in, but this is an awesome car.